Hi, Max Fortune here, author, publisher, and book coach, the author of How to Publish a Book and Make a Fortune. I specialize in coaching authors on how to write their book in 90 days or less. I have an online course that I offer exclusively on Book Writing University, and it's coming up in the next few weeks. It's my Authorpreneur Masterclass. Now, if you have ever thought about writing a book and want to get it done quickly, then you should consider taking my Authorpreneur Masterclass. What you'll get is a very specific roadmap for getting your book done simply by completing exercises that only take about an hour a day. Today I want to talk to you about creating an author press kit. Now, having a press kit is a great way to prepare yourself for the marketing arena. Your press kit may be requested by retailers, book bloggers, event planners, editors, basically anyone who might take an interest in you as an author or in the topic of your book. So what your press kit should contain is a couple of things. Most people requesting a press kit would like the following information: your author bio and contact information. You should already have an author bio. If not, start working on one right away, whether you're already published or not. You'll need it for your blog or website anyway, for guest posts, and for submitting it to magazine. Number 2 is press release. Press release should focus on the unveiling of your new work. It should be brief and succinct. 1 page should be all you need. Number 3 is the sample author Q&A. Make a list of interview questions and responses about you and your book. Now, this can include questions about your background, your inspiration for writing this book, why you choose to self-publish, your own favorite writers, future projects, etc. 4th thing is specific information on your book. Now, so many books are published every week, every month, every year. This is where you need to talk about what makes yours different. You can describe your book in terms of its unique features. Now remember, a press kit doesn't have to be complicated or fancy. Now that's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, share this video with an author in your network, or if you have tips of your own you want to share, make sure you leave me a comment. I also want you to join my new Facebook group, Book Writing in 90 Days, for more great tips on getting your book done quickly. See you next time.